This is going to be your every 6 months, depends on usage, filter change. All right, we'll open this panel. Open this panel. The filters are right behind this panel. All right, both of the filters are right here. Charcoal filter, air filter. To take them out, there's an adjustable screw here. Obviously, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Same thing here. Both the filters come out. Install, same thing. Charcoal filter in first. Air filter on top, and then retighten down the adjustable screw. All right, and then put the cover back on. So for the 48-inch shaker, it has the filters that we just showed you on this side. It also has filters on this side. Same process, remove the screws from the panel, filters are right here behind it. For the maintenance for the inside of the shaker, you're going to open both top doors. And this is where you're going to want to clean around the traps by the bulbs. Any oily residue, you want to wipe it down. For your weekly, every 3 to 5 day maintenance, you're going to want to open both of the doors, and you're going to want to wipe down all the tracks. So any of these tracks back here that can catch the oily residue, try to avoid touching the light bulbs, the tracks here. Up in between the light housings, there's a track that can catch the oil also. Front and back of each one. You want to wipe those down. All the tracks running through here, because these catch the oil from the TPU powder. Also, there's a track in the front right here you want to wipe down also. You need to do this to both sides, the exit side and the entry side. Same thing, in the cavities, don't touch the bulbs. Continuing the maintenance, you're going to want to wipe down any excessive TPU powder you have laying around. On this track, wipe as much as you can off the roller. You're going to want to turn on the feed, that way it moves the vacuum cylinder, and then you can take your sanding block and just clean all around it as it's rolling. What happens is the TPU powder gets on there, it clumps up and stays on the roller. So you just want to clean that roller all the way around. This is for changing the light bulb on the 48-inch shaker. There's 4 screws, one here, one here, one here, one here. This panel will come off. And then there is a clip on each side for the bottom lights. One screw. You take out that one screw, this clip comes up and off of the tray that holds the bulb. Each bulb has a lead wire that runs to the terminal block. So if this bulb is blown, this would be the wire you would undo and wire up the new wire to the terminal block. So now we're looking on the control panel side of the shaker. So same light bulb we would have just been changing. This is the opposite side of it. So one screw, one clip, and there's a tray that the light bulb rides along. Also, while we're on this side, the power coming into the shaker, ground is all the way to the right and your 2 hots to the left. So opening the door, opposite side of the light fixture right here, one screw, one wire to the terminal block. Wiring terminal block for the power coming to the shaker, 2 hots, 1 ground, all the way to the right. Okay, so for the top light bulbs on this heater shaker, there are metal clips that hold the bulbs into place. On each end of the light bulb, there's a terminal block. With the same one wire, you would wire it into the terminal block. This is for the dancer bar calibration for the take-up on the shaker. When you get into the menu, you're going to press under roll initial with the dancer bar down, and then you're going to lift the dancer bar and press highest. At this point, we are calibrating the TPU basket scale. Initial part of the calibration, the basket needs to be in the up position. You hit initial, and then you're gonna push the basket down and hit lowest. To get into the calibration menu for the dancer bar and the TPU basket, you press paraset, IO, question mark, and then right here between the blue and the white, you press one time, and the password 1, 2, 3, 4, press enter. Okay, for the dancer bar, in the down position, you press initial, and then you raise the dancer bar and you press highest, and now that is officially calibrated. All right, for the TPU basket, you want the basket in the up position. You will press initial with it up, and then you'll push the basket down all the way, and you will press lowest, and now the TPU basket is calibrated.